Hi all my toasty buns, and thank you for joining me today. We're going to be doing an unboxing of some stuff I got from Taobao. What could it be? So as I open this, I want to let you guys know that this is the outfit that I'm wearing to Sea of Serenity. It is an online convention that is from September 4th through 7th, and it has a lot of really awesome indie designers, so feel free to check it out. I'll put the link down below. If you want to see the video where I unboxed this Jellyfish JSK by Gloaming, it was a devil-inspired unboxing, I'll put the link right here. Alright, so first up, I've got a black blouse that I'm going to be using for some OG/aristocratic coordinates. There's a little bit of ruffle detail on the cuffs that are pretty cool. Sleeve length is looking really good, and the fabric itself is looking pretty good as well. Really cool button details, awesome chain detail you can see here. The lace is a little bit thinner than I was kind of hoping. The collar is starched pretty stiff, so it'll look awesome in photos. But other than that, that's about everything. Next up, I've got some blouses that I ordered. I actually really did need the cream blouse from this, so this is going to be great to kind of go with some of my coordinates. I just had some white blouses, but now cream is going to be great. This collar detail with the bows is really nice. I like all of the little bows that are added. It's good that it's a crop top as well. Easy to wear and light for summer. And the back button for the back of the neck is really cool too. So that way you can kind of pull it easily overhead and then just button it in the back, and instead of having to worry about a lot of little buttons. So here you can kind of see a close-up of it. Alright, so next up to bat, we've got this pink blouse that I ordered. I was interested in starting up a little bit of Taobao resale on the side, see how well that will work out. I got this pink blouse. I don't have a lot of pink in my wardrobe, so even though it's kind of cool, I'm not sure if I will use it actually to coordinate with anything, or just keep it and see who might be interested, and then put it up on Lace Market. But yeah, something to look forward to. And I've got several sizes of it as well. This is the large that I'm holding up, but there's also a medium and a small. So, to celebrate my 100 subscribers, as well as announce my new sales page on Kmarket, I'm going to be giving away one of the biscuit pillows. So you can see behind me I've got the round and square type. Be sure to like the Facebook page for more details on new items that I'll put up for sale. And thanks so much for participating. As always, thank you for joining me again today. It was a bit of a shorter unboxing, but we've got some more planned for you, as well as more tea reviews and my wardrobe tour that's upcoming. Alright, thanks and take care. I hope you all stay well.